marksman rifle in their asses the entire game. I think I'm top. Oh no! Technically, I was top, and then the guys actually came back for once. Shut your shotgun pussy-looking ass up! Use a shotgun, you a bitch!
Shotgun pussy.
Hey, well, this is Call of Duty apparently, where assault rifles like to camp, the snipers like to run, and the shotguns just run everything. That's what I don't understand about Call of Duty. An assault rifle will camp, and you can take out a whole crowd with one clip. But a dude with one shot in the chamber will run around the map and wipe both floors, everybody.
That's where it goes.
Like, what in the hell? No.
God damn. I'm over here trying to change the damn flash and keeps backing me out. I don't own any rights to this game or its affiliates. This is just Irish fucker playing a little game. We got the Abaku, the Sticky Turtle, and that overweight guy on the other side.
You got squares, motherfucker?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you know?
I literally don't. I got one cigarette that I got from Chris.
How you gonna buy me squares? You ain't got no money.
She gonna show a titty.
You get the money?
130.
Oh, 130. 130? What's this shit?
Scope on the Lockwood? I should put you in a fucking mental asylum with a broken nose.
I would quick scope with it.
A quick scope shot. Ah, God, that's disgusting. That's not okay. In a bad way.
Why don't you have iron sight? It's got an iron sight on it too.
Cool.
The Lockwood is a shotgun. I thought I went to marksman.
I'm talking again. What did I just say to you?
This ain't no fucking shotgun, boy.
Secure Bravo. Alpha secure. Enemy securing Delta.
I might be 90.
Taking Charlie. Bravo secure. Lead is out. The enemy took Delta.
He said he's in Irving right now.
Securing
You
objective
calling me?
Charlie.
I tell him I got a bill right now. He waits like a little bit longer.